Pete, this morning we're talking about joint replacement surgery at the Fox 11 Fieldhouse. The following segment is sponsored by Aurora BayCare Medical Center. And joining us live this morning is Connie Fellman. Hi, Connie.
Good morning, Rachel. This morning we're talking with Dr. Robert Limoni, orthopedic surgeon at Aurora BayCare Medical Center. Dr. Limoni, today we're discussing outpatient joint replacement surgery, something I've never heard of that. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, joint replacement may be your closest chance of the fountain of youth, and sometimes you can get 20 to 30 years of relief. With new techniques that we're doing now, people are going home faster, recovering faster, getting back to their life quicker.
And I hear that your guys are pioneers in the area when it comes to joint replacements. Tell us how that works.
Well, we started rapid recovery joint replacement techniques several years ago. It all started with anterior-based hip replacement and minimally invasive techniques to put the parts in. Recently, we have adopted a lot of really modern pain management techniques, non-narcotic analgesics, eye of arrow, freezing the nerves before you actually feel the pain. And what we're finding is people can go home quicker, they can recover quicker, get back to their activities quicker after surgeries.
And I understand they know what to do when they go home because of Joint Camp. What is Joint Camp? Why do you offer that?
Well, Joint Camp is generally patients get together within 2 weeks of the surgery to discuss what's upcoming for the procedure. We have a unique class where the surgeon actually runs the class, and they meet with a therapist. They start prehab prior to the surgery. They're well informed for the surgery, so the anxiety levels and sleep cycles and all are normal, and we start the analgesics at that point, and that's really the key to get people home quickly.
What a great benefit. Dr. Limoni, thank you very much for being with us here this morning. And if you'd like to learn more about Aurora BayCare's specialized orthopedic team, go ahead and visit aurorabaycare.com/orthopedic.